The Interception of Communications Bill 2020 will allow communications from inside the prison walls to be obtained and used as evidence. This from Attorney General Faris Al-Rawi during debate on the bill in the House of Representatives today, Friday. He said according to data, there's rampant cell phone usage within the prison system and places of detention. This, the AG said, results in murders and other crimes being coordinated from a cell. But with the current legislation, such evidence of communication cannot find its way to court unless it is by way of a warrant.
We have to cure a serious illegality, a serious unconstitutionality in the existing law by making all evidence, even if it is sensitive evidence, that can reveal the identity of a person, the manner in which the intercept was done. We have to allow the court to consider that.
Minister of National Security Stuart Young said the parent legislation in its current form for the Interception of Communications Bill has all of the necessary safeguards to protect the privacy rights of citizens. He said the main objective is to use communication data from prisoners.
This legislation is to allow law enforcement in Trinidad and Tobago, when they intercept phone calls by prisoners, incarcerated criminals on the inside, engaging in criminal activity on the outside, all the way up to calling hits on persons, for that to be used as evidence. What could be wrong about that?
The bill seeks to allow the interception of communications from prisons and vehicles used to transport prisoners to be recorded and in some instances be used for evidence in courts. Our Chief Stampede Dr. Rudal Munilal believes that the Interception of Communications Amendment Bill 2020 will do more than intercept phone calls. As he responded to the debate in the lower house, he said the amendments to the bill will also allow stored data to be used for evidence. He also argued that there wasn't a need to make amendments to this particular bill.
I understand the problem. The problem is that you are saying you have intelligence to suggest that persons, when they're in prison, they put out a hit. They put out a hit on persons outside, and you have picked it up by way of intelligence and interception of communications. Okay, that deals with murder. That deals with shooting with intent. That deals with firearm. Why don't you redo the bill that deals only with that?
Dr. Munilal said in the first instance, prisoners shouldn't even be allowed to have cell phones.
5 years now, we have jammers and, what is the next word? Jammers and grabbers, technology to put in the prison to prevent people from even making a call. We cannot implement that, jammers and grabbers legislation and policy. So we give up on that. We just give up. We say, look, prisoners will have phone, they'll have phone. Let's intercept now.